Welcome. Chip Trades here with another market analysis, right? This week is 12/29, 2019. We're about to come up to a new year. Let's get it. A new year. New visions. It's 2020, just like 2020 vision. Stay focused, stay agile, stay just well-being for your body, your mind, your soul. This year coming out, 2020, right? We breaking new levels, breaking new paradigms. Let's get it. So this week I'm gonna go over the Euro CAD. I'm gonna go over the Euro NZD and the Euro CHF. Just going over some euros. I'm gonna make this video very brief, so if I'm not speaking much, just leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have any questions, I'll be glad to get to you. So I'm just gonna run through these markups, and let's catch some pips this week. Let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna start off by the monthly. Mark my high and my low. Okay. Going to my weekly. Put my Fibonacci on. Some people, have different trade styles. My trade style does work for me. So, if you're wanting to try it, you can. But if you're here just, for some educational purposes, awesome, But I will tell you, when it comes to strategies, it's what you have been seeing most successful while you've been trading. You can have all sorts of styles and strategies of trading. Whatever fits you personally as a person, run with it, right? So I see this going up bullish, the Euro CAD. After throwing those Fibonacci's on, I see the 161 as seeing for a high. This is our high of the month. This is our low of the month, right? So we have the high of the month, the low of the month. I want to see, price is going to be gapping at 5 o'clock Eastern. So when the market opens, what we're going to see, even from like current price alone, it's still 270 pips. From the break of the high, though, if you wanted to wait for that, it looks kind of crazy, right? But because we're in huge consolidation, we are in tremendous consolidation, no lie, right? But I do kind of see in this, I want to see this go up to the high. So it's still 140 pips. 140 pips isn't bad. Just to get a retracement, maybe even back down to the low of the month, which my target will be at the 1.48937. I want to take that for the swing. I want to catch about 200 pips, honestly, off of this. Let's move on to the Euro NZD. Okay, mark up this is very bearish. Looks very, very bearish. We had some indecision candles, right? A couple months back, trying to break the high. Did not want to break the high. We see both of these got planted. These both got planted. Okay, let's check it out. Right, bearish. Put my Fibonacci's on there. Wow, right on the support. So we have support to hit, support. Okay. So let's go down to the weekly. Looks very, very valid. That's our support down there, right? There was a failure that happened, right? We're getting some indecisions. We get support, more support, even within that consolidation. We got a support resistance area. We got support. Okay, so we're seeing a lot of support. I want to see this low get broken, and we take this down about 330 pips, right? Euro NZD, I do look for the bearish movement, okay? Euro NZD, I see the bearish movement. My target will be 1.62829. I'll take it down there. That's a 300 pip swing. This is the weekly, so it could take, you know, a couple days, couple weeks, whatever we see. But I just want to see this breaking first. I don't want to just pull the trigger right now. Whenever price is just floating right on the support like that, that it, you know, it potentially made like a this support that it's basically on, right? Is it going to replicate this? No, I don't believe so, because how bearish it is. And we're still looking, you know, through stages. This is our stage 1. This is our 2, right? We got the pullback, and then our 3, very consolidated area at this top. So I am looking for that stage 4 just to go back home, be a little bit comfortable, right? Price needs to be more comfortable. So I want to look for that 300 pip swing on the Euro NZD. Let's move on to the Euro CHF. See, support and resistance is very key. You know, that is how these levels are, the prices are moving within, just support and resistance, support, resistance. Always remember that, right? Okay, so now we marked our high and low of the month, right? Look how consolidated that looks. But when we go down more in price, right, to the time frames, what we're gonna also see is a different picture, right? A different story being told. And this has been trying to break this level like crazy, right? Look at this. Look at that. What I want to actually see is there'll be like a slight retracement, I believe, around here, and we'll see it to go fall down even further, right? This is support, I believe. Just eyeballing, I believe this may be even a 161. Let's check it out. Maybe sooner. Okay, so oops, no, let me put this here. So we actually have a retracement coming up sooner than this this low, right? So I'm gonna plot this and check it out. And that was on the monthly. Okay, so all right, let's check this out. All right, boom. Okay, we have from the break, looks like about 100 pips or so. Yeah, it's 111 pips, 110 pips, whatever. I was looking at this level, which is a little bit invalid, but it also could be valid, you know, with the fake out. If price wanted to really dip under this, the 161, and come right back up for a fake out to the downside. But I'm looking at this 161 as very valid, right? We have support here. We have a lot of resistance right at the break of this of the monthly low. So I do want to see this. See, look at this nice resistance right here. Support, resistance. Yeah, so I believe this is very valid, knowing this is going down on the trend. So my target will be at the 1.07447. All right. So that is the Euro CAD, the Euro NZD, and the Euro CHF. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to the weekly analysis. If you could like, subscribe. You know, I'm trying to reach as much people as I can possible worldwide. So if you could just spread the word, spread the love, you know, share this to your friends, share this to your family members, and, you know, tell them just to subscribe. I'm thinking of new ideas for the channel also. So to spark up some new things inside the community. But I do appreciate you guys, like I said, for tuning in. This is Chip Trades, and I'm out.